Hello everyone, I hope you're all having a great day. Today I wanted to teach y'all about a website I like to use called Mentimeter, and it is basically just another way to present information while making sure the students are understanding, they can follow along, ask questions, answer questions, take polls, all that sorts of stuff. So, first thing you want to do is obviously set up an account, and all you have to do is hit New Presentation. And you can add as many slides as you want. You can do, let's just do a beginning page. We're going to make this, let's do this all about favorite colors. You can add images, you can add anything you want to make it look nice. So there's your starting page, favorite colors. And here are all of the ways that you can ask students questions and they can answer them. So let's go with the word cloud. And I'm just going to ask what their favorite color is. And again, let's add some pictures to make it look nice. And I'm just going to create one more open-ended. Why is it your color? So, you're presenting, you're talking, and while they're doing this, there's a code right here. And all you're going to have your students do is go to www.menti.com. And they're just going to enter this code. And that code is going to change every time that you make a new presentation. So all you're going to do is hit present, and whatever you're presenting is also going to show up on their screen. So when I move to the next page, they're just going to move to the next page and they can enter like blue, green, and pink. And when they hit submit, those answers are going to show up on your screen. So you're going to be able to see what they're typing in, and they can do it. You can select for them to be able to do it as many times as you want. Perfect, you got the answers, you move on to the next slide. Why is it your favorite color? Their slide also moves, so they can say, I like blue because it's the color of the sky. And when they submit that, they can answer again because I selected that they can answer as many times as they want. That also comes up, but it's also all anonymous. So students can feel free to ask questions, answer anything that they need to without feeling the pressure of raising their hand and having to talk in front of the class. But it's also a great way to just check to make sure that students are staying focused, understanding, and just asking questions and following along the whole time. But yeah, it's just a great alternative to your usual presentations through PowerPoint, Google Slides, anything like that, just because it is more interactive for the students.